Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the sound problem in your device OnePlus 10R. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now, if in your device you are having any problem related to the sound of the device, like they are slow or not proper, you can solve it by the method that I will show you in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound problem in your device OnePlus 10R. Let's watch it.